Have you ever wondered what $3,200 could really do in today's economy? Not just a number on your paycheck, but a sum that could reshape your finances, spark an investment, or even change your life. Whether you're holding on to it, thinking of spending it, or figuring out how to multiply it, this number has more power than you might think. In this video, we're going deep into the real value of $3,200 in 2025 and uncovering secrets most people overlook. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll never look at $3,200 the same way again. In 2025, $3,200 is more than just money. It's a decision, a choice that could determine your future. From inflation to opportunity cost, understanding what $3,200 can do for you is step one in making smarter moves. Let's break it down. With rising costs in housing, food, and energy, the value of money has changed. But $3,200 still holds weight. It's roughly equivalent to a full month's rent in many major cities, a down payment on a reliable used vehicle, or even the seed money to start a small side hustle. This is why many are searching. What can I do with $3,200 in 2025? That's the first big question, and we're about to answer it. Imagine using $3,200 not for spending, but for building. You could divide that money into three buckets. Bucket 1. High-interest debt. Pay it off. Credit cards or personal loans draining you with 20% plus interest. Kill that first. Bucket 2. Emergency savings. Having even $1,000 of that $3,200 in a liquid savings account can prevent future debt traps. Bucket 3. Invest. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Web will let you invest in stocks, ETFs, or crypto with low fees. A well-known financial planner once said, "The first $1,000 you invest will teach you more than any book." Imagine what $3,200 could do. This is where the second key phrase lives inside our journey. Best ways to invest $3,200 today. And spoiler alert, there's no one-size-fits-all. Let's get into some real-life uses. In 2025, the gig economy is booming. People are using $3,200 to launch YouTube or TikTok content studios, buy high-quality cameras, or mix to start freelancing, pay for skill courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Others are diving into e-commerce, buying products from suppliers and flipping them on Amazon or Etsy. Dropshipping, print on demand, or reselling collectibles like sneakers and cards. $3,200 can open that door. Here's a title-inspired insight that fits right into the core of this segment. Turning $3,200 into a business in 30 days. It's not just a dream anymore. It's easy to treat $3,200 like a reward, a vacation, a shopping spree. And there's nothing wrong with spending money you've earned. But when you shift your mindset, when you see it as a tool, you start asking different questions. What will this money do for me in 5 years? Will this decision help me grow, or just feel good for a moment? A lot of successful entrepreneurs started with less. With $3,200, you already have more than most had when they launched.